What's up YouTube, it's your girl Kayla back on Vibinwidkay. And in today's video, I'm basically going to be doing a clean with me video. I did this for my room, now I'm gonna do it for my car. So a lot of you guys suggested like car videos. I got this bag right here, which is a Ross bag, which has some of the cleaning supplies.
Cause why in the world do I have a raw banana in the middle of my console? Like, I don't understand.
Yeah, actually, okay, it might be a little bit more dirty than I thought. Oh, I was gonna go back inside the house, but I just found this bag where I can put all the trash in. Hopefully it's not more than this.
At all, but why is it always close, ranging from a movie scene to made up people in my dreams? The last time, if I recall, was a feeling of being alone. I don't know if where I'm going isn't far, but in case I no need to be stressed, gotta take it home, it's there. I really miss the shade of blue. Just take it slow. I'll wait to find love, better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view, and I pray that it won't be over soon. Oh my, I miss the sun. Just wait, it won't be too long till we arrive the coming day. Please ignore my restless face, cause it's so hard to keep it all together ever since we left. I guess it just makes sense to what the reasoning was when I said, in case I go, no need to be stressed, gotta take it home, it's there. I really miss the shade of blue. Ooh, just take it slow. I'll wait to find love, better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view, and I pray that it won't be over soon.
I'm done cleaning the car. I've done everything. There's not that much stuff to vacuum except the floors. A good thing about my car is I have like, I don't know what the floors are called, or I don't know how to explain it. It's like I could wipe down the floors. It's like instead of shampooing it. I don't know, you guys can see it's kind of like a tarp, so it's really like heavy duty. So like the car owner before this, so like I was saying before, I turned the camera off. The car is heavy. The material of the car on the floor is like heavy duty, so I really don't have to do much. But I also need to get some new seat covers because this seat right here is bad. That's why there's a seat cover on it. But these other ones need seat covers, but I just haven't had the time to go do that. You can play some music. Now we're gonna go to Sam's Club, and I don't know if you guys know, Sam's Club has cheap gas, so that's what we're gonna go to. Nearest one is 4 miles away, so let's go.